Have you ever wondered how your brain works? It's an incredibly complex organ, filled with billions of cells called neurons, which play a fundamental role in nervous communication. In this article, we're going to explore the fascinating world of neurons and understand how they allow us to think, feel, and act. To begin with, imagine your brain as a vast communication network, where neurons are the messengers. These specialized cells are like small processing units, capable of transmitting electrical and chemical signals from one place to another. Each neuron is like a wire in a huge web, connecting to other neurons to form complex networks. So, how do neurons communicate exactly? It all starts with an electrical impulse that travels along the length of a neuron, from the cell body to the ends of its branches, called dendrites. When this electrical impulse reaches the ends of the dendrites, it triggers the release of chemical substances called neurotransmitters into the synapse, the space between two neurons. These neurotransmitters are like chemical messages that cross the synapse and bind to specific receptors on the receiving neuron. This binding triggers a response in the receiving neuron, which can be either excitatory, increasing the likelihood that the neuron will fire an electrical impulse, or inhibitory, decreasing that likelihood. This is the basis of nervous communication in the brain. Neurons transmitting electrical and chemical signals from one to another, forming complex circuits that allow us to think, feel, and act. But neurons are not just passive messengers. They are also capable of adapting and changing based on experience. An important concept to mention is synaptic plasticity, which refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt throughout life. This means that connections between neurons can strengthen or weaken based on activity and experience. For example, when we learn something new like playing a musical instrument, relevant synapses strengthen, facilitating the transmission of that type of information in the future. Furthermore, neurons also undergo a process called neurogenesis, or the formation of new neurons, even in adulthood. While this mainly occurs in specific areas of the brain, such as the hippocampus, it's a fascinating phenomenon that highlights the brain's capacity for change and regeneration. But how can we take care of our neurons and promote healthy nervous communication? Nutrition plays a fundamental role in this aspect. Some nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, flavonoids, and antioxidant vitamins, have been associated with brain health benefits, helping to protect neurons from oxidative stress and promoting synaptic plasticity. Additionally, staying mentally active, exercising regularly, and seeking quality sleep are habits that can benefit brain and neuron health. Avoiding toxic substances, such as tobacco and excessive alcohol, is also important for protecting neurons from damage. In summary, neurons are the fundamental units of nervous communication in the brain, allowing us to think, feel, and act. Understanding how they work and how we can take care of them is essential for promoting optimal brain health and a fulfilling life. So, the next time you find yourself pondering your brain, remember the incredible neurons that make it all happen. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel to not miss out on future content like this, and turn on notifications to receive everything firsthand. See you in the next video.